Hi, I'm Rutuja Manikpurkar, a BMS graduate from Pillai College, Panvel. I recently joined the post-graduation program in digital marketing at MCTA Vashi branch to begin a career that is creative, exciting and full of growth. After graduation, I followed my love for working with children and completed the ECCEd, that is Early Childcare and Education course. I then worked at Kidzee for 6 months, which taught me patience, communications, and how to manage responsibilities with care. It was a meaningful experience, but over time, I became more curious about digital world. I was always drawn to creative content, how ads work, and how brands grow online. That interest led me to explore digital marketing, where I found a perfect blend of creativity and opportunity. I chose MCTA because of its focus on practical learning. The trainers are experienced and explain concept in clear and simple way. We work on live projects, run ad campaigns, and learn tools like SEO and social media marketing, all of which helps to build real skills. The career support is also a big plus, with guidance on resume building and interviews, which makes me feel confident about starting this new chapter.
Visit www.mcta.co.in